Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete account on Shop app. So first step you simply need to do is to open your Shop app and click on account tab. In the account tab, you simply need to click on account menu. Once you are in account menu, you simply need to click on settings, and in settings you simply need to tap on app settings. Once you are in app settings, you simply need to click on delete account, and then you need to tap on delete account, and then the app will ask you to, are you sure you want to delete account? Then you simply need to tap on delete account and your account will be deleted. But here you can see an important instruction that if you use shop pay installments, make sure that you pay all your installments before deleting the account. And if you want to delete on web browser, so you need to come onto this page and you simply need to click here, and here you can see that this page will land here, delete your shop account. You simply need to add your email address here and click on submit request. Once you click on that, your account will be deleted after some time. So this is the process how you can delete account on Shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.